வணக்கம் நட்புகளே, எல்லாருமே எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பீடட் ஹேண்ட்பேக் பார்க்க போகிறோம். குட்டியுண்டு பேக்கு. இது செய்கிறது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஈஸி தான். வாங்க எப்படி பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். In this video I take two different size beads. One is big size normal and another is next to this one. Take any size of bead. One is little big and another one is small. Four round bead, yellow color, light yellow I take. This is step 2. Left side one, right side one, and center for crossing. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 6, I added 3 pink bead. This is small size, round bead, small size. Now added 2 pink bead and continue like this, and continue this step to all around yellow bead. This is first round, this yellow color round, and this pink color round is second round. We started here and then just going to complete with this one is going to complete like this at the top. Now third line also same pink. Start with 3 pink color and go around with 2 pink. Just complete like before. Now I complete third line. First line is yellow, second line is pink, and third line also pink. I end it here. Next line I am going to add golden round bead. Next line I started with 3 yellow. I thought of add gold, but yellow is matching perfectly, so I add it. Same step, just like we do it with pink. Started with 3 yellow and joining with 2 yellow to complete this line. I ended here. Now we complete that yellow line also. If you want to add yellow here and pink there, no problem, your choice. It's your choice. I have to bring that wire here for this corner. We completed here. Then we completed here and I bring the wire to the center, side Now I added this right side one, left side one, and center I cross it with another yellow. Now I added 2 long bead. Instead of long bead, you can add seed bead also. Again cross it with 1 yellow. I am going to join this end. I added left side 1 bead, right side 1 bead, and I am going to cross it here, the top bead. And I cross it here and bring the wire one side, put a knot and cut the excess wire. That's it, our bag is ready. At the center I am going to add a golden color. I'm just going to apply little white glue. Is this enough? Just drop off it and put that golden bead here. After it's dry, it's look like normal. And this side also I'm going to stick one just center of the bag. Any color you want, you may add. That's it. After it's drying, it's look just perfectly fine. That's it. Hope everyone like it. Share your comments. Thank you.